you can't use all Instagram features right now. So want full access to Instagram, do this now. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem which says you can't use Instagram features right now. So after you open up your phone, now go ahead and now open up your Instagram app like this. Now go to your profile. After you go to your profile, now go to this menu. From this menu, now tap on the search bar. After you come to the search, now search for account. Type in account like this. So after you type in account like this now, so here is account status. Tap on this account status. So if you come to this option now, as you can see now, make sure to verify this last one. As you can see now, make sure the reason why Instagram gives you now you cannot use some features because you did not verify this last one. So as you can see now, I have already verified this features you can't use. So I have already verified this one. So after you come to this option now, tap on this option now to verify the picture. After you finish verifying the picture, from there Instagram will allow you to use all the Instagram features on your Instagram account. But if you try this method and still you're having problem, all you have to do now close the Instagram app like this now. After you close the Instagram app, now the second method, go to your Play Store. After you come to Play Store, go and search for Instagram like this. After you search for Instagram, now update your Instagram app like this. Now here is the Instagram. Now update your Instagram app. After you update the Instagram, now go ahead and restart your Instagram app. After you restart the Instagram, now go back and open the restart your phone again. So after you restart your phone, now go back and open the Instagram. So after you open the Instagram, so you may likely get your problem solved. But if you try this method again, you're having the problem which says you can't use this feature right now on your Instagram. So now try this last method. So the last method is all you have to do now. After you open up your Instagram app like this, go to this menu at the top. If you scroll all the way to down, now go back and log out on your Instagram. After you log out on your Instagram, now log in again. After you log in back in your Instagram account, all you have to do now you should stop doing 3 things or 4 things. Now you should stop liking people posts, you should stop commenting on other people posts, and you should stop following people on Instagram. So sometimes the reason why Instagram gives you this restriction is because you are doing too many actions in a short time on Instagram. So doing too many actions like liking posts, following people randomly on Instagram, this may cause the problem why Instagram gives you this restriction, because Instagram now think that your account is a robot account, because most likely robot account are the ones that are following people random, are the ones that some people use to like get mass followers, mass likes, mass comment on their post. So if you are using your account and your account most likely may be small account, not a big account, so all you have to now stop following, stop liking, stop commenting on other people posts for like 3 days, at least 2 to 3 days. You should stop doing this for 24 hours or 48 hours or 3 days at least. So if you do this now, your problem will be solved. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.